your Windows PC is secretly slowing down. Not because it's old, but because it's clogged with junk. Every app you install, every file you open leaves behind hidden leftovers that pile up over time. These junk files don't just take up space. They can slow down your performance, cause lag, and even affect your startup speed. In this video, I will show you 3 quick hidden locations where Windows stores unnecessary files and how you can safely clear them in minutes for a faster and smoother PC. Let's go. Now on your keyboard, type Windows R. This run is going to pop up. Now you're going to type in Prefetch. Click OK. If you get any prompt, choose Continue. This is where Windows stores data to speed up app loading, but over time it gets cluttered with outdated files. Now we're going to delete the content here, but don't worry about it. You don't have to worry about losing any important file by doing this, okay? These are just junk files. Ctrl A to highlight on everything. Delete the content. Now the Prefetch folder is empty. Like I said, you don't have to worry. Windows will recreate only what it actually needs. Now we advance to the next one. Next is the temp folder. Now head on back to windir again, and this time you're going to type %temp%. Type this, then click OK. This is where most junk build up. Temporary files from apps, installers, and even failed processes get stored here. So now Ctrl A to highlight on everything, then delete. If you get a prompt that says file in use, you don't have to worry about it because they are currently in use. Check on these and click on skip. Skip it. Now it's going to delete only the unnecessary temp file. So if you have some files that are left here, it's okay. All right, close it. Finally, we head on back again to windir, and this time I'm going to type %windir% again /temp. Click OK. Now this one is going to delete the content in the system temp folder. Ctrl A to highlight on everything, then delete. Now we've removed all the junks from the system temp successfully. So that's it. 3 simple steps to clean your PC and boost performance instantly. Do this regularly and your Windows will stay fast, clean, and responsive. So if you like what I'm doing here, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification so you get notified when I post content like this. Have a nice day, guys. Peace out.